Hello all. We will be discussing about one of the important topics today, that is apomixis and polyembryony. This topic is actually asked in exam. So many exams it has been asked. So we'll be talking about these two topics together because they are related to each other. So apomixis is actually seed formation without fertilization. It is an asexual reproduction, but it actually mimics the sexual reproduction because seed is produced here. Examples examples are astraceae and grasses, which are given in your textbook. Then there is one more term, that is parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is fruit formation without fertilization. So the difference between the two is very important. So apomixis, when we talk about apomixis, it is seed formation without fertilization, but parthenocarpy is fruit formation without fertilization. Now, what are the types of the apomixis? Like number one, the apomictic seed can be developed from the diploid egg. Like no reduction division will happen, meiosis does not occur, and egg cell will remain diploid. It develops into embryo without fertilization. So embryo will be genetically identical to the parent. Number two is your adventive embryony. This is also called as nucellar embryony. It is found in the stress fruits and mango. And then here, what is happening? The nucellar cells divide, they form embryos, they protrude into the embryo sac and develop into the embryos. So this is actually polyembryony also. That's why these two topics are connected to each other. So nucellar cells, they protrude into the embryo sac and then they develop into the embryos. So many embryos are formed at once. This is polyembryony. So the presence of more than one embryo in a single seed is your polyembryony. Example is your orange. Now, what is the genetic nature of these apomictic seeds? They are diploid and they are genetically identical to the parents. You can call them as clones also. Now, there's importance of apomixis in agriculture. You know what's the problem with these hybrid seeds? You know that hybrid seeds, they show high productivity, but hybrid seeds must be produced every year. Why? Because progeny shows segregation. Hybrid characters are not maintained. So hybrid seed needs to be produced every year, and the production cost is very high. Uh, so what is the importance of apomixis? Like there is no segregation of characters. Then hybrid vigor is maintained. Farmers can save seeds, reuse them year after year, reduced cost for farmers. Then the one more thing that is mentioned in my textbook is what research is going on about this apomixis. So there's an active research worldwide right now. Number one is to understand genetics of apomixis, genetic control of the apomixis, and number two is transfer of apomictic genes into hybrid crops. How do we do that? So these are the two important research topics, hot topics which are going on in the world right now. So this is all about apomixis and polyembryony. I hope you understood this topic, and this was the last topic. I will be starting human reproduction now, next. I hope you understood everything. Thank you very much.